Welcome to PowerFactory 2026. We've had a big focus this year on the software performance, with changes on every level designed to improve the user experience. Loading, viewing and handling data is faster, particularly if you're working with large networks. But it's not just the data management that's improved. We've also streamlined calculation functions. Short-circuit analysis according to IEC 60909 for multiple faults now runs much more quickly, with the benefits being most noticeable in large networks with many power station units. For example, in the standard Texas grid network, the calculation for all bus bars runs up to 80% faster for three-phase faults and up to 50% faster for single-phase faults. And a significant development is the introduction of parallelization of EMT simulations based on partitioned networks. This enables simulations for large networks to be carried out in a fraction of the time. For example, testing on a medium-sized transmission network model with the network partitioned into regions resulted in calculation time reductions of up to 85%, depending on the hardware. Alongside all this, we have of course continued to develop other new calculation features. In the small signal stability analysis module, an impedance-based stability analysis function has been introduced. Such analysis is becoming essential as converter-driven small signal oscillation issues are increasingly a risk in today's power networks. The new PowerFactory function allows the stability of inverter-based resources connections to be assessed in the frequency domain, ideal for black box converter models. Let's look at some other new calculation features. If you work with line sections, you'll see that loadings for individual sections are now available. The results could be seen in the Network Model Manager and are reflected graphically in diagram coloring. The DC short circuit calculation has been extended, allowing modeling of DC pole-to-pole faults. In addition to all the analysis developments, the many enhancements to power equipment models include the ability to model coupling between overhead lines and cables, a new multi-purpose grounding type, and the enhancement of PWM converter models to support single-phase converters. And we continue to extend our plot functionality. In this version, both the time distance and the short-circuit sweep plots have been updated. For example, in this time-distance plot, the improved path axis allows access not only to the substations and individual relays, but also to other connections into a substation that are potential intermediate infeeds. Finally, modeling using Modelica continues to be extended. There are many developments to events handling to further support hybrid modeling. And a new documentation window has been added to the Modelica modeling environment to provide an easy way to directly access model documentation. There's lots more to explore in PowerFactory 2026, so have a look at the What's New document linked in the video description field.